Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. Or if this is your first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. Let's start our Circle Time by singing our good morning song, friends. Let's sing together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, let's find out what day it is and the month of the year. The day today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday. All day long. Yes, today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday. And we all know what that means, right? Yes, it's Cooking Friday, friends. Are you excited? And we are still in the month of April. Yes. So let's now find out about the weather for today. But before we do that, we know we need to sing our weather song. So let's sing our weather song together. Are you ready, friends? Well, let's go. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now, my friends, we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Take a look, friends. Yes. It's a cloudy day today, but we are going to have some fun with our recipe for today. Now, let's talk about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color pink. Yes, pink is one of those colors that you need to mix to get. You get pink when you mix red and white together. You get pink. Pink is our color of the day. Now, my friends, let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a circle. Yes, a circle is round. It has no sides. And a circle can be shaped like the sun in the sky. Yeah, that's a circle. Or some coins that you might have. Maybe you have a 5-cent or a 10-cent. Or 25 cents. That's the shape of a circle. Now let's find out about our number of the day, friends. What's our number of the day? Well, our number of the day is the number 3. 3 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 3? Well, let's see. We can spin around 3 times. Are you ready, friends? Let's count and let's spin. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Great job, friends. We counted to 3 and we spin. Woo! Isn't that fun? All right. Well, let's talk about our letter of the day. Do you remember what our letter of the day was yesterday? Well, yesterday we talked about the letter B and Blanche says. Yes. So, what's our letter for today? Yes, it's the letter C. C is our letter of the day. Can we think of some words that start with C? Well, there's cat, there's count, there's even the name Candace. That starts with C. Yes, there are lots of words that start with C. Isn't that fun and interesting? Yes, there are lots of words that start with the letter C. Now, let's talk about our area of the day, friends. Our area of the day today is Chacachacare. Doesn't it sound like the instrument, the shack shack? It sounds like a nice little dance that you might be able to do. Actually, Chacachacare is the Amerindian name for that area. So let's take a look at the wonderful places that you can visit in Chacachacare. Alright friends, now that we've talked about our letter of the day, it's time for our lesson. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Our lesson for today is very delicious. It's Cooking Friday, and on our menu today, it's pancakes. Alright, you start making your pancakes by adding your pancake mix like I'm doing here, and then you're gonna add some water to it. I use a couple tablespoons of pancake mix. Add some water to it, then you're going to mix it, and then put it in a pan, or you can use a tower. And just flip it, and that's it. It's that easy. So enjoy your pancakes, friends. And I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.